Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5. Our first pick is Sherway Men's Steel Toe Waterproof Wellington Boot. The Sherway 10-inch soft steel toe Wellington boot is a dependable work boot designed for durability, comfort, and protection in demanding work environments. Built with a focus on heavy-duty construction and ease of use, these boots are great for industries like construction, farming, or any job that requires sturdy, waterproof footwear. Offering both soft and steel toe models, this boot caters to different work requirements. The steel toe version provides solid protection for high-impact jobs, while the soft toe is a good option for lighter work, where flexibility is a priority. The full-grain leather upper is durable and water-resistant, keeping feet dry in wet conditions. The leather is not only protective, but also ages well, becoming softer and more comfortable over time. This boot is built with Goodyear welt construction, ensuring it withstands wear and tear for a long lifespan. This traditional construction method also makes them easier to repair, adding value over time. Equipped with a superior slip-resistant outsole, these boots provide excellent traction. Number 2 in this best steel toe boots for men list is Ningo Steel Toe Work Boots. The steel toe cap provides substantial protection against heavy impacts, keeping your toes safe in high-risk environments. This feature is particularly beneficial for construction sites or areas where foot protection is a must. Made from waterproof materials, these boots are suitable for wet and muddy conditions, keeping your feet dry and comfortable during long shifts or rides in variable weather. Featuring a slip-resistant sole, these boots provide excellent traction on slick surfaces. This is crucial for industrial settings where floors can be oily, wet, or uneven, minimizing the risk of accidents. The EH protection safeguards against electrical hazards, an essential feature for anyone working around live circuits or power tools, adding an extra layer of safety to these boots. The square toe not only provides a stylish look, but also offers extra room in the toe box, improving comfort for prolonged wear. The Ningo Steel Toe Work Boots deliver a reliable combination of safety, comfort, and durability. With steel toe protection, waterproof materials, a slip-resistant outsole, and EH safety ratings, they meet the demands of challenging work environments and are also well suited for motorcycle riders. Although the boots may feel a bit heavy initially, the robust protection and comfort after breaking in make them worth it. Our third choice is Everboots Tank S Steel Toe Work Boots. The Everboots Tank S Steel Toe Work Boots are designed with durability, safety, and comfort at the forefront, tailored specifically for tough work environments like construction, manufacturing, and industrial sites. With a focus on both protection and long wear comfort, these boots offer multiple essential features that make them stand out in the world of work footwear. The steel toe cap provides excellent impact protection, shielding your toes from falling objects and other hazards commonly found in heavy-duty work sites. Everboots has incorporated EverFit comfort technology to enhance comfort throughout long workdays, reducing the fatigue often associated with steel toe boots. The technology ensures a cushioned feel, even during extensive periods of standing or walking. The anti-slip outsole offers superior traction on various surfaces, whether wet, oily, or uneven. This feature is crucial for preventing slips and falls, especially in environments where stability and grip are essential. Built with ultra-shock absorbing soles, these boots provide protection from high-impact movements, helping reduce stress on the feet, knees, and back, which is particularly beneficial for those on their feet all day. Fourth pick in this best steel toe boots for winter list is waterproof steel toe boots. The waterproof steel toe boots for men are designed with construction, warehouse, and outdoor winter work in mind. These 6-inch leather boots combine durability, warmth, and comfort to create a boot that stands up to harsh conditions. With steel toe protection, waterproof leather, and insulation, they're suited for cold and challenging work environments. The steel toe cap offers high-level impact and compression protection to keep feet safe from falling objects and equipment, making these boots essential for high-risk workplaces. Made from durable leather, these boots are fully waterproof, keeping your feet dry in rain, snow, and muddy conditions. The waterproof feature is excellent for outdoor use or in wet indoor environments. Insulated lining ensures that feet stay warm even in extreme cold weather, making these boots an ideal winter option for those working outside or in unheated areas. The outsoles are designed to be slip-resistant, providing good traction on icy or slick surfaces, which is particularly helpful for winter conditions. The 6-inch height gives solid ankle support without restricting movement, providing both stability and flexibility on the job. Our fifth and last choice is Dr.RHINO Winter Steel Toe Boots. The Dr.RHINO Winter Steel Toe Boots are an excellent choice for anyone facing cold, wet, or hazardous work environments. With their steel toe protection, insulated lining, and slip-resistant soles, they're well suited for outdoor jobs, construction, or any winter work. While they may feel a bit heavy initially, the added safety and comfort make these boots a reliable investment for staying warm, dry, and safe on the job. The steel toe cap provides high-impact resistance, keeping your toes safe from heavy or sharp objects. This makes the boots highly protective